Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to move some dirt from one bed. We're going to top off another bed. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Whew. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It is the beginning, no, it's almost mid-February now. Gonna be starting some seeds pretty soon. And I really got to start getting those beds over there, right here. So, spin you around. I got a bucket, I got my shovel, and I started digging these beds out so I can get these frames right here off. Initially, I was thinking of digging all this out, putting it on a tarp over there, and using it to top off. But after the last what is freeze and thaw? Frost and freeze and, you know, all that. Thaw. I noticed that these beds were sinking down a little bit. So I know that's a very good medium that was over there. So I figured, well, I'm gonna top off these beds with it. And if I have any extra, I can top off those beds over there with it. So just a little snippet. I'll bring it back and I'll show you when I've topped these guys off, and I'm gonna start loosening this up, get a shovel underneath that rotten wood and see if I can pop this off in one big rectangle. Let me do some digging, and I'll talk to you in a sec. Okay, well, yesterday I started losing light, so I just hurried up and got all that growing medium. I don't want to call it compost. It's kind of soil now, but I'll take it for a little tour, and I'll show you how I topped everything up and show you what the next step is. All right, so I topped these three beds up very nicely. I just did that. I topped those up very nicely. And I started prying up ye old wooden bed. I'd like to repurpose this, maybe make some smaller little boxes for stuff. But oh boy, this is some bad wood. So everything is dug out of here. Like I said, the new beds are going to go back a little bit because I have a little bit of a plan. All the dirt is out of there, and I had enough taken out of there to actually top up this bed and top up, well, half of this bed, I guess I should say, and top up both of those beds. I did top them up at the end of the season, but they still fell, which, you know, is to be expected. So, on for getting them guys over to there. Well, hey, I got a screw gun out here, and I'm going to start pulling some screws out. I'm going to take that bed apart, hopefully get it out in a couple pieces, stick some wood back over there, and figure out what I'm going to do with them. But just a little update. I'll show you what it looks like when the wooden bed's out and plans for moving stuff around. See you in a bit. Okay, wood is off. Staged on the fence. That's pretty nasty. I don't know if we're going to be able to repurpose that. But if we can't, we chop it up in small and have a nice little fire in the summer, you know? So spin you around, I'll show you. So there it is. I have not seen it this naked in this garden. And this has been my main garden. If you're new to the channel or you're just tuning in, for 20 years. It started off kind of way over there, a little bed going that way, and then it kind of morphed into this. And Miss Lila's out here and got herself a stick. But that's what we need to do. I need to move around some of that gravel, get that out of the way, because these new beds are going to be almost touching this edge in this fence, because I can get to them from on that side and reach over. But I want to have these way over to loosen up the center for me for the next plan that'll probably be in play next year. Oh my. All right, well, I'm just going to stitch this together. Don't want to have nothing real big, but just some progress on the putting in the new beds from Vego. Leave a link to their description down in the bucket. I love it. Also at the end, I'll have links to check out the gardening videos. So I'll leave a link to some playlists. Appreciate if you guys go see them. Hey, if you're here, like, subscribe, share the videos around. Let everybody know that planting season's coming and Noah's doing some planting. Oh my. Well, it's a beautiful day for February. We hit almost 70. Record in Western Pennsylvania. Wait, I'm Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.